I first got this product, I was a little bit surprised because I didn't check. It is a very small fan, but in the same time, is one of the easiest ones to install. So there's some positive as far as this particular fan, because as you can see, it's quite small, but it comes fully assembled. And I mean, it doesn't come in this big of a box. So you have the light assembled on it. These little blades come in and they just snap on, no screwing necessary. So this was really engineered for people that don't want to use a screwdriver, right? And then you have the connector that goes on your ceiling. So you put this one and you drill it into any of the 2x4s. One side will be enough. And then this will connect here. So this just slides in here. And then right now, all you have to do is just put your wires in. This is a do-it-yourself or dream. Labeled properly. And then once this one is on the ceiling, then you could just slide this thing on top and you're good to go. There is no other wiring that you have to do, and that's what I really like about this particular fan. And this is how easy it is to do it. I'm gonna do it here on the table because it's a lot easier to explain to you. So you just get the wires that you're gonna have on the ceiling. Now one is live, one is neutral. You haven't identified that, usually goes by color. You will lift these little levers on the side of this connector. There are 4 of them. You put your wire in and then look, it's already secured, right? And then you're gonna do the same thing on this side. With the fan installed, I'm gonna plug it into an outlet just so we could test it out, right? It comes on automatically. So look how easy it was. I can hold it with one hand. That's how gentle this fan is. I could say all off. So right now the motor is off, the fan is off. Then I could turn the light on. So this is the light. You could adjust the light. So you could change the color and then you could adjust to see more light or less light, which is really nice as a feature. And then what I really love about it is that it's a DC motor, so it could go either direction. So I'm gonna have power number 1, and it just turned on right now and it's going forward. But if I push reverse, and right now I push the reverse button, so there is a reverse button here on the remote, and then that will stop it, right? So right now it's gonna stop, and then it's gonna start pushing backwards. So right now I can feel the motor is pushing backwards, and you can see it's doing its little thing, and now it's going backwards. And you have 6 speeds to choose from. So easy setup. It uses about 13 watts when it runs and 25 watts on fan mode. I like it. I think this is a great buy. Now all I have to do is just make myself some time to install it into my bedroom. I hope this video helped you out, but this is the easiest fan that you could install yourself. I do want to mention that even though you have a little retainer for the remote to put it on the wall, you don't have batteries in the box. So batteries, you have to buy them separate, and that's why the remote seems like not working when you first get it, because you have to put batteries in it. And this is the app. It's actually pretty nice. So there's certain things that you could do to it. You could turn the fan on, you could turn the lights on, and then you could put them in reverse or in forward, and then you could change the amount of speed that you want, what kind of a temperature do you want for your colors, for your light, and then also you could adjust it. So there's like very nice feature on the app, and you always have the remote.